flick a few pages. Oh shit, that was my stop. Flick back a few pages, take a sharp left.
Like actual driving. I thought you meant like driving.
You're an interesting person, I'll give you
No, I
that.
thought you meant
Have you been talking to everyone else or just me? Because I feel like that's a credit.
I thought you meant like a driving test.
Yeah.
Who gives somebody a driving test? No.
Well, you would give them a book on a driving test also.
Whilst driving? What are you?
Well, they should have done it while driving. You are absolutely correct.
Are you towing it with your toga?
What do people do in Canada? I don't even know.
We just learned to drive when we were like children.
Yeah, but do you all talk to each other all the time, especially when people are on stage with a microphone?
You're room, and your dad sits you on his lap, and he's like, drive the tractor, and you drive the tractor as your baby.
Right.
You learn to drive when you're baby.
So you
And
can...
tractor.
No, please chime in, dude. Yeah, that's appreciated. I'm trying to get out of this as quickly as possible, if you wouldn't mind.
So they learn to drive in a tractor.
I heard. Everybody heard. There's 30 of us here. Did you know that, man?
I do.
Yeah. Awesome. So kids driving tractors, but you're upset that a driving test would have a book. Did I get that right?
Yeah, but whilst you're driving.
We do it while we're driving. It's called the Melways. This man nailed it. And what used to happen was we had a book and we had maps in it, and we used to drive with that book until phones were invented.
No, see, I thought you meant whilst you were on your driving test.
Doesn't matter, to be honest, does it? It's just a joke. It's just a less than 30-second joke that gets me into the next thing that I was going to talk about. But if you want to talk, this is fucking awesome. I'm having a great time.
I was just misunderstanding the whole joke.
Yes. But I made you feel comfortable enough to talk to me, and that makes me feel good. So thank you.
I enjoyed this conversation.
Usually people walk away from me with these eyes, but you came directly at me, and that's cool.
Alright.
Anyone else? No? Oh, all right. Anyone else want to have a crack? I've ruined my fucking set, so don't worry about it. You guys into self-driving cars? You want that shit to happen?
Yeah,
When Tesla does it and all that? Yeah, I'm just excited for that conversation with my grandchildren where they're like, oh, hey, Grandpa, did you used to drive your own car? And I was like, yeah. Like, yeah, but wasn't it dangerous? Like, yeah. Yeah, it's fucking dangerous. Actually, babies used to drive tractors, dude. It was nuts. All kinds of shit used to happen. Canadian people would just talk to you from nowhere. It was a fucking crazy world.